My machine won't start. What do? That is the most common problem that I hear about with these Vermeer mini skid steers. And the Vermeer manuals have some decent troubleshooting steps to help you get your machine starting again. But there was one that my manuals were missing. And it's this wire going to the back of the starter right here, this white wire. This wire can come disconnected or loosen over time just with use of the machine. And the machine will keep running, but once you shut the machine off, it will not start again. So this ended up being my problem, but my wire did not fall off completely. It just simply loosened on the terminal, and that was enough that the machine would not start. Let me show you what I mean. See, the machine keeps running even with that wire disconnected. But if you go to start it again, it will not start. And all the relays will click and everything. It'll sound fine, but the machine will simply not start. So if you have a no start scenario, check that wire.